Hello and welcome to Allure. Have you ever pondered the potential risks of consuming eggs every day? It's a question we seldom ask ourselves. Eggs are a staple in many diets, packed with protein and vital nutrients, but they also come with a catch. Hidden in their golden yolks is a high amount of cholesterol, a substance that can potentially pave the way to heart and artery diseases. It's a nutritional paradox that leaves us wondering, but how do we know that eggs can be a danger to our heart health? Several studies have shed light on the matter, offering some surprising insights. Let's dive into the science behind the risk associated with eating eggs daily. Firstly, we need to consider the studies that have found a correlation between egg consumption and heart disease. One of the key factors that these studies highlight is the high cholesterol content found in eggs. A single egg contains about 200 milligrams of cholesterol, which is around 2/3 of the recommended daily intake. Some research suggests that this high cholesterol content can lead to clogged arteries and heart disease over time. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There's a flip side to this coin. Other studies have found no direct correlation between egg consumption and heart disease. These studies argue that the type of cholesterol found in eggs, known as dietary cholesterol, doesn't affect the levels of bad cholesterol in our blood as much as saturated and trans fats do. They suggest that the cholesterol in eggs is not the villain it's often made out to be. One such study, published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, found no significant link between eating eggs and heart disease in healthy individuals. It concluded that moderate egg consumption, up to 1 egg per day, is not associated with increased heart disease risk in healthy individuals. However, it's important to note a crucial point here. The subject of egg consumption and heart disease is still hotly debated among scientists. Some stand by the theory that high cholesterol intake from eggs does pose a risk, while others argue that the human body's response to dietary cholesterol varies greatly among individuals. In conclusion, it's a complex issue with no one-size-fits-all answer. There are many factors at play, including individual genetics, overall diet, and lifestyle. So while the scientific community continues to debate, it's crucial for us to understand the potential risks and make informed decisions. You may wonder, what exactly is cholesterol and why should we be concerned? Cholesterol, it's a waxy, fat-like substance that's found in all cells of our bodies. It's not inherently bad. In fact, our bodies need some cholesterol to make hormones, vitamin D, and substances that help digest foods. But here's where it gets tricky. Our bodies produce all the cholesterol we need, but cholesterol is also found in some of the foods we eat. Consuming too much cholesterol can lead to high levels in our blood. And this is where the problems start. High blood cholesterol can lead to atherosclerosis. This is a condition where cholesterol and other substances build up on the walls of your arteries, narrowing them and potentially blocking blood flow. This can further lead to heart diseases, including heart attacks and strokes. So it's clear that while our bodies need cholesterol, too much of it can be harmful. Now that we understand the potential risks, what's the verdict on daily egg consumption? Let's recap what we've covered so far. Eggs are a fantastic source of nutrition, packed with high-quality proteins, vitamins, and minerals. However, they also come with a side of cholesterol, which has been linked to heart and artery diseases. The science behind the risk is still somewhat hazy. Some studies suggest a correlation between high dietary cholesterol intake and heart disease, while others propose that the body's own cholesterol production is the larger concern. It seems that the impact of dietary cholesterol might vary from person to person, depending on their genetic makeup and overall diet. Let's not forget that understanding cholesterol isn't as straightforward as it seems. There are different types of cholesterol: the good, the bad, and the ugly. While eggs do increase levels of both good and bad cholesterol, it's the balance between the two that matters. So where does this leave us? Well, it reminds us of the old saying, moderation is key. Consuming eggs daily may not be a problem for everyone, but it's crucial to monitor your overall diet and cholesterol levels. If you have a high risk of heart disease or high cholesterol, it might be wise to limit your egg intake. In the end, it all boils down to balance and moderation. So make your choice wisely and stay healthy.